UK government departments are facing constant pressure on numerous levels to digitally transform and create new services in a way that adhere to Government Digital Service or GDS standards. Across the UK government estate, coherence and consistency are key due to a need to make the best decisions and optimise resources whilst delivering exceptional services to citizens and organisations. Rising public expectations, coupled with limited spend available, means departments lack the speed and agility to keep up with the changing demand. Within government, there is a disconnect between broader GDS mandates and reality, resulting in siloed innovation and minimal collaboration across departments and internally amongst agencies. Complying with pan-government mandates is challenging in this disparate world as many complex barriers exist. What if government departments could revolutionise the way process-centric solutions are designed by embracing new technologies in a way that creates efficiencies and reduces costs, all in a government-centric way? Automate process-centric solutions to accelerate innovation and operate in an agile way, creating greater efficiencies and enhanced decision-making. Save time by allowing teams to rapidly collaborate to create minimal viable products in a repeatable way with consistency and completeness. Digitise business processes, making it cheaper to innovate, reduce development time and increase operational visibility to create a reduction in operational expenses. With IBM's Business Automation Suite, drive virtually all types of process capture and automation projects at speed and at scale through an integrated set of automated capabilities. Enhanced by the Responsiv Government Toolkit, ensures the applications you build align to GDS standards, enabling you to facilitate collaboration across teams, speed up development time and reduce approval times. Invest in automation in a safe, secure and consistent way. IBM's Digital Business Automation Suite and Responsiv Government Toolkit is based on open standards, it's available on G-Cloud and it's aligned with GDS service standards. Accelerate your adoption of automation on cloud and deliver exceptional services today.